I'm supposed to follow up on Friday. That's when they're making their decision. There's nothing more I can do, right? Wrong. Right now you're stopped. You're comfortable. You're just hanging out in the worst possible place to be in sales and in life, the waiting place. That's the place where you think that you've done everything that you can right now. You think you've done everything to lead by example, to move a deal forward, to have that difficult conversation, to show your manager how to coach, to help one of your struggling salespeople. But there's always something else you can do to show you care, to show they matter, to show you want to help, to show you won't let them fail, to show you want their business. So next time you feel like you've done enough and it's out of your hands and it's on them to prove that they can do it, refuse to get comfortable. Refuse to wait and see what happens. Refuse to go to the waiting place.